Are you feeling tired or feeling dwelled in your entrepreneurship journey because you are facing a lot of problems, lot of failures, but you are not getting a right track to resolve them? Yes. In this video, I am going to share 5 core values you need to implement in your entrepreneurship journey to get massive success. Yes, because when you are working on any track, you just need right track, right things you have to implement in that journey. When you implement right set of techniques, you will get that much result, whatever the results you want in your journey. So without wasting your time, let's start the video. I'm Prash Yoga, business coach, entrepreneur and influencer marketing specialist. Let's start the video. First point is that 98% people waste their money to buy dumb shit. Yes, dumb shit means buying reckless things such as clothes for show off, buying cars, buying houses for show off to other people, to unknown people which don't give a real fuck to your life. That whatever the things you are doing, you are just doing to impress other people. You are not doing these things to make you happy. What does success means in your life? Analyze it. What does success means in your life? You just have to know what is the real meaning of success. Success is just becoming happy, getting growth in your life and becoming happy to whatever the results you are facing, and how you are learning and how you are coping with them, so you can get better results, right? And how you can become more and more happy in your journey, in your life. Success is not buying reckless things which will demotivate you after a certain point of time, because when you are buying dumb shit, when you are buying reckless things, soon you will not get any money to buy the things which are important in your life. Yes, always spend money on your learnings, on your investments, like which will give you more money in the future or which will promote more growth in your life. So always invest money on the things which will help to become a better person in your life. Don't invest on reckless things which you don't need after 2 years, 5 years or 10 years. You spend money wisely on the things. That's how you can get ahead from most of the people working in that track, because not every people will have right set of techniques to get ahead from everyone who is working in that path. If you have that right set of techniques, you will get ahead. So you already get 1 point. What you have to do, you just don't have to buy dumb shit to impress some other people which really don't give a fuck about your life. Okay. Second point is, almost everyone fails because of their intention. Because when they are starting their business, they want to raise money, they want to raise funds to sustain their business. That's true, you have to raise money to sustain your business, but not getting profit from someone to which you are not providing massive value. Yes, when you are selling your product or service, your product or service must give them that much value to the amount they are paying to you. Your product or service must solve out the problem for which that person, that guy is buying your product or service. But if this thing is not working, then you have to change some things. You have to change your product or service, or you have to change their mixtures, etc. But at the end, you need to be consumer centric. When you get consumer centric, when you get to know that what are the pain points of the customers and what are the problems my target audience is facing, then you will produce that much result that help them to solve out their pain points. But if you are not able to focus on the problems of the customers, then soon you will be swiped out from the market. Because in business, we are providing solutions of the problems which our target audience is facing. And if your product or service dwell them more regarding their problems, then how you can sustain your business on a further, on a long run. Because when you are doing business, you are doing business for a long term process, up to 5 years, 10 years, or up to 100 years. But this thing only works when your consumer gets happy. Because at the end, how you get money? When customers buy your product or services. But if your product or service is not up to that point, is not providing that much value, is not suitable for the amount that person is paying for your product or service, how you can sustain? So always try to solve out more and more problems of your customers, and that's how you can get ahead in your journey. You can generate massive profits by providing massive value. So in this thing, you have, this is a win-win situation for your customer and for your business too. So always focus on win-win situations. Always focus, try to solve more and more problems. And in this thing, you can do feedback system also when you are selling a product or service, and when your client get any results from it, just try to get testimonials as well as feedback, that how can I improve my product, or how much that product or service can solve out your problem. This will get you referrals, which will help you to get more and more customers, because if your customer like your product or service, then he or she will give some names or numbers, contacts to give to solve out their problems also. Okay, and you can use that person testimonial to sell out your product or service. Just try to get as much as refers you can get for your business. So that's how you can scale it up to $1 million business. I already uploaded that video. You can watch out in the I section. Also, video will be pop out in I section, and this will help you to build out some skills to scale your business up to $1 million business. Okay. Third tip is being optimistic and practical is the thing you need to implement in your journey, because when you are getting positive vibes to whatever the results you are getting, maybe you are getting positive results, maybe you are getting negative results, but when you become optimistic, you will learn from both situations. Negative situations will help you to understand that what are the mistakes you are doing and how you can improve that time by time. Okay, and when you get practical, you can to be accountable on each and everything, to each and every effort you are making to get more and more profit for your business. So it is the most important thing to become accountable and to become practical on the things. And do you know why entrepreneurs always win? Because they are too much optimistic. They don't dwell they don't get dwell by the situation that they are facing, that they are getting more and more rejections in their journey, but they are fascinated that if I provide massive value to that person, then this person will remember me on the longer run, and that's how entrepreneur will win. So be optimistic in your journey. So always try to learn from your mistakes and don't overthink on the things you can't control. That's the number one mistake every entrepreneur is doing right now. That they get dwell to the things that they think are not controlled. That they're like getting rejections, I can't control. You can make more people sign up in your business, but before that you have to improve your skill set. But till that point, I can't control that thing. What I can do, I just keep practicing on my skills, keep enhancing my skill set, so I will get more and more results in your journey. And the main thing you have to understand that don't get dwelled by the mistakes. Everyone in this world is facing some failures, is facing some problems. Let's suppose you are going into the market. The person walking in your right, walking in your left, also have some problems in their life, but they are not showing to you. If you want that person will show his or her problem to you, so you have to start a conversation with them. You have to get you have to do a deeply conversation with that person to make them relax and build a rapport with them. So that's how they can exchange some problems as well as some great points in their life, whatever the things they learned in that much life. Well, it doesn't matter that they are too young, they are too old. People who are too young have also some experiences which will help you to get more ahead in your journey. So try to learn from each and every person, try to make them relax and build a bonding with them. So on the longer run, you will always win. When you have a lot of people in your network, you will definitely win. But when you are doing business and you don't have any network, so how you can sell out your products? To whom you can sell out your products? So always increase the size of your network. Always remember, become more humble in your journey. When you get more humble in your journey, everyone wants to discuss their things to you, and that's how you can increase the size of your network, and that's how you can turn your business into $1 million business within few years. That's how you can enhance your skill set and leverage other people's skills to work with these people also. So you are getting customers at initial base also and up to a longer term because of your bondings. And the fourth point is that learn about the opportunities from many sources and build yourself. Just like Google, internet is the biggest thing which we ever get in human life, because it is the thing which is a source of learning everything. You can learn each and everything at free of cost just because of internet. You have a mobile phone and a combination of internet is a boom. Really, you can learn each and everything. You can build yourself at a cost of zero. Yes, people are leveraging the use of internet, so they can build out some things which will help them to generate money, which will help them to get recognition, which will help them to get some fame in their life. But that's how. But how they type everything on Google, they get billions of results regarding that thing. Let me know one thing: you are paying for the books to get learnings from them. You are paying to the college, you are paying to the school to get some learnings, but at internet you just have to type the things. You have to read out the articles, you have to read out the blogs, you have to watch out the videos, you have to implement those things, and that's how you can build yourself. So always focus to get learnings from free sources as well as from mentor also, because when you are hiring a mentor, that person already did those things in his or her journey, so that person have learnings as well as experience. You can use that person's experience to get much ahead in your journey and to spend less time on making mistakes. Okay, so just try to get some peoples which will help, which will promote growth in your life. And everything is accumulated on the internet, so whatever the things you want to learn, just like drop shipping, e-commerce, everything is available on the internet. You get billions of results, so just start trying, learning, implement them. And for that you just have to be a macro patient. Be a macro patient in your journey, because when you are learning the things, you can't get results in a one day. There is nothing called overnight success. You just have to implement the things. You have to understand which thing gives me results, and according to that you have to divide that this thing is giving me result, this thing is doesn't, so I have to pursue that thing. It takes you up to months, it takes up to years, so it depends on your journey, that whatever the journey you are pursuing, but you have to be macro patient and you have to learn and implement on a daily basis. That's how you can promote your growth to a much wider audience in your journey. And the most important thing which I made in my life, which I learned after spending a lot of years of work, is be grateful for everything you have. Yes, whatever the thing you have in your life, you have many things to that person who don't have anything. Yes, you have many things. You just have to understand that how much things I have, and you have to be grateful for that thing. Maybe you have parents, someone will not. Maybe you have, maybe you can go college. Some people doesn't. Maybe you have access to internet or mobile phone. Some people doesn't. So always be grateful for the things you have in your life, and that's how you can make special bondings with the pupils, and that's how you can achieve everything in your life. Just be grateful for that thing. Do you know what is success for me? What will be success for you? When you get something in your life, when you get financial freedom like that thing, then what is the meaning of success in your life? Success is just making some people smile, helping some people to solve out their problems with the help of your knowledge or experience, with the help of your time. And when you can make a person smile and help them to upgrade themselves in their life, that's how you get success. If you get 1 million people on your back, so just try to imagine how much a wide legacy you already built. There are 1 million people following you, which will help you in each and every phase of your life. No matter whatever the business you are doing, no matter whatever the work you're doing, they will support you in each and every phase. So try to build a legacy, and you can't build a legacy without putting a smile on people's face, without helping other people to solve their problems or pain points. So just try to help other people, and soon you will get each and everything whatever you want. There is a saying, if you want to accomplish something in your life, learn, implement, and whatever. But if you can other people also to achieve their things, you will also get those things, because you are making them understand the working of any platform. You will help them with the help of your learnings, and you can also learn from YouTube or books. So you are also promoting your learnings. That's how you can teach other people now. So before that you have to learn. That's how you can promote two people's goal, you and that person. That's how you can get ahead in your life, not in single journey, not in your business journey, not in your entrepreneurship journey, in your life too. So always remember that thing. Be grateful for what you have, and try to help other people to solve out their problems with the help of your learning and knowledge. If you implement these 5 learnings in your life, you will get too much ahead in your journey. So always implement whatever the techniques I am providing to you. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, tap on the bell icon so you can get my video first, because I already uploaded many entrepreneurship journey videos, many business related videos which will help you to scale your business, which will help you to scale up your skill set, because money is a byproduct of a skill set. So always invest on your learnings, always invest to upgrade your skill set. And in your entrepreneurship journey, the main thing I face, and many people are facing, that they will get too much rejections. And how they get rejection? Because of they are not able to solve out the objection of that person. So I already uploaded many videos, but the main objection is I will think over it and let you know. So watch out that video right now to solve out that problem.